how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first page you can click on apps and you will enter the PowerPoint app. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.